Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our March new products video. Our first new product are these emblems. These are for the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco and Ford F-Series pickup. These go on the IP right above the radio. That nice trim panel goes right there. We have the XLT and the XL. These are chrome plated plastic, just like the original. Have their locating pins, double face tape, so you pull the old one off, pull the tape off, pop it in place. We have the XLT and the XL for the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. And our next new product is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco are these hinge pins. These are for the door hinges. These are brand new. They come in stainless. If you take your door hinge off and the pin's bad, basically all you have to do is press the old one out, press this in, you're ready to go. But if you find out you still have wobble, we have a solution for you. We have a hinge pin repair kit, which comes with 4 of these, 4 oil impregnated bronze bushings for the center, and some new lube with an instruction sheet. Basically what you have to do is press the pin out, pull the hinge apart, drill the center of the middle of the hinge apart, push the bushing in, then re-drill, rebore the whole hole, and you're ready to go. Sells for roughly, for the stainless, $24.95, and for the plain steel one, $19.95. That's for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. And our next new product is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco full top. These are the rear support brackets where it bolts the top into the taillight section. What this bracket does basically slides in the pocket in the taillight section. There's 3 bolts which you holds into the taillight section with weld nuts on the inside, then 3 more on the top. And it has these 2 extra holes here. This is for the liftgate support rods where you bolt it on in place and you're ready to go. We have to give it the right and left side. It comes with another little bracket which you'll never need for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco for the full top. Our next new product is this washer solvent hose kit. This fits the 2011 to 2016 Ford SuperDuty pickups. This goes up under the hood, gives you the 2 mounting points. This is where you push these on the spray nozzles, gives you a retaining piece which retains it, and it hooks right into your pump. Brand new from Dorman, sells for under $10. The replacement piece, these go because the engine heat dries them out and they crack and they leak. Simple plug and play part from Dorman Industries. And for our March Web Truck of the Month, we have Jim Lepik's Early Bronco powered by a diesel. Really unique vehicle. You'll be interested in that. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
It's had a long life.
Okay.
Well, the condition, I think we bought it after it was rolled. Bought it from my brother. He rolled it, and well, we took it all apart and put a 428 Super Cobra jet in it years and years ago, and played with that for a number of years, and then it actually, family came along, and it sat for 20 years. So we just pulled it out again and said, we're going to go with diesel, and I'm going to put 5.9 Cummins in it since nobody has one of them in there.
Okay.
So we can be the first one on the block. It's got a 47 RH Dodge tranny and a 205 transfer case. Had to do some little custom mods to get that to couple up. And then obviously a little bit of work on the firewall and that to get it to jive in there. But it's got form and function, and got some more fine tuning to do, but we kind of threw a few things together to get it here.
You got any major plans for the future or upgrades you want to do?
Oh yeah, I wanted to have some steam. So yeah, probably bigger turbo, bigger injectors, get into the pump some, maybe valve springs and governor springs and all that good stuff. It's a small Bronco. It's just a little one.